of the moon, I punish you! Hey, it's Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because we are testing out and reviewing the Sailor Moon collection. I nearly shat my pants when I saw that this was being released. I absolutely love Sailor Moon. Before any talks of this launch, I actually started binging it again on Hulu. No surprise here, but Sailor Mars is my absolute favorite. Between Sailor Mars, Jupiter, Venus, and Sailor Moon, I feel like I have qualities of all of them. Mainly Sailor Mars though, so I can definitely relate to her. I would really like to see ColourPop expand on this collection. Probably be overkill, but if they did like a Sailor Mars, Venus, Jupiter, I know I would be ready to buy every single one. I don't think I needed any of this. It was just so cute and I'm just having so much fun with the packaging. Definitely 100 out of 10 with the packaging. I'm sure it's going to be great ColourPop quality. Without further ado, if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get reviewing. I was so excited that I didn't even go on ahead and prime and get my foundation and brows filled in. So I'm going to use products from my project pan to do so. I will link that video for reference. So this collection includes an eyeshadow palette, 2 blushes, 2 glittery obsessed, and then 2 glossy duos. Yes, I already took everything out of the packaging and it's all being displayed right now. It's packaging that I will never toss out. The palette, da da da. This is what it looks like and I gotta say it is probably one of the most boring color stories ever. I think they could have done so much with the color story. Why isn't red and blue not a shade in here? I don't know. It's a very chick and girly palette, so I can't appreciate that. I think the only Sailor Moon color that they have is this yellow for her hair. But I definitely think like that rich blue, kind of like the blue I have on today, and the red to match her outfit would have been on point. And then like a beautiful like deeper purple for Luna. They have this pretty light purple, but Luna is a lot darker. You can see it in the packaging. That's my biggest gripe with this collection, but I still had to pick it up. It's Sailor freaking Moon. I think that would be my advice to ColourPop if they do move forward doing the other Sailor Guardians, like Sailor Mars. I want like a rich violet color for her hair, definitely a red to match her outfit. Sailor Venus to have a rich teal, kind of like Vile Serpent from the Jeffree Star Bloodlust. We are gonna swatch the palette. Shining Moon, Twilight Flash, Silver Crystal, Moon Castle. I feel like the first 2 shades look very similar, except this one is just maybe like a shade or 2 deeper. But aside from that, there's pigment throughout the entire swatch. Everything felt smooth and creamy. Typical ColourPop performance. I have no complaints when it comes to ColourPop shadows. Everything blends, pays off really nice. Full Moon, Silver Millennium, Serenitatis, Luna. The one that I struggled with saying, I thought was going to be a chunkier glitter, but it definitely swatched more on the shimmer side. Justice, Tuxedo Rose, Love, Miracle Romance. And this is what the entire palette looks like swatched. I'm going to start out with the shade Miracle Romance. There's a little bit of kick up and I'm just going to... Oh wait, I didn't prime my eyes. What am I doing? Urban Decay Potion Primer. Ooh, this is a pretty shade. It's picking up a little bit more pink than it is purple on me. At least in person. It looks more purple in my monitor, but what I'm seeing is a lot more pink. Taking this big fluffy Luxie 205 brush just to slab it all in the crease. Have some hair trying to get in the way. Build this up a little bit. I'm going to take the shade Luna and I'm just going to place it like on the first part of my eyelid. Ooh, I like this shade. And this is without MAC Fix. And I think I'm gonna take the shade Love for the remaining portion. I don't know, I kind of almost had like creator's block when it came to this palette. I'm like, what am I gonna do? Gonna put it in my outer V and kind of bring it up to the crease. Don't worry, we're gonna go back in to make sure there's no harshness between Love and Luna. Guess I could have just taken Luna all over my lid, but I wanted to play with another shade. I'm gonna add some liner to my lid and waterline, and then I'm just gonna take Miracle Romance to smoke out the lower lash. And then I'm going to take some of Silver Crystal for the inner corners. And I'm going to spray some MAC Fix. really enjoyed how everything blended out. I definitely used more of the colorful shades in this palette. I guess I should have probably gone with a neutral look with a pop of color on the lower lash, but I was just so drawn to the shades right in here. I just got a little bit of creator's block when it came to this palette. Now that I put the shades on my lids, I kind of have a better idea of what I want to do next. I haven't tried any of the glitterly obsessed that ColourPop has, so these are my first ones. This is Moon Prism Power. Wow, these are so pretty. I like how there's little moons in here. Duh, Amanda, it's Sailor Moon. What's Sailor Moon without the moons? Usagi. Oh yeah, you're gonna have glitter everywhere after using these. And then this one is Moonlight Legend. They kind of look the same. Actually, just kidding. I take that back. Moon Prism Power definitely pulls more blue and purple, while Moonlight Legend pulls a little bit pink and peachier. And that's what they look like side by side. I'm kind of nervous to put these on my eyes. Do I take my finger or do I take a brush? Actually, let's take from the swatch and see. I guess I should have held off on eyeliner, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna put these on. Yeah, this actually dried down on my hand really nice. I got a moon. There I am, Sailor Moon. Yeah, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I never use products like this. I don't know if I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them. They're pretty on the eyelid, but I just feel like I soiled my look, but I'm loving the moon that's right there. The blushes. This is from the moon, and I'm a little scared. I don't even wanna swatch it because I don't wanna ruin Luna's face. That is such a pretty pigmented blush. And then this one's Cat's Eye. This one's more satin. This one is definitely a little bit more satin, while From the Moon is more matte. On my left cheek, I'm gonna take From the Moon. Oh yeah, that is such a gorgeous shade. I don't want to use this blush because of the imprint of Luna. Oh, that is so pretty. Yes. And then let's take Cat's Eye on the other side. This is another gorgeous shade, but I think I like From the Moon a little bit better. I feel like a more glowy blush, you'll really like Cat's Eye. And we're going blush crazy over here. I really like both of these blushes. I really like how the blushes were different from each other. From the Moon is a matte pink, while Cat's Eye is a satin peach. And I think they both blended out really nice, and they're both very pretty shades. And then we have two gloss duos, which look very similar online, but in person, you can definitely tell the differences. The first gloss set includes the shades Bunhead and Sailor Moon. Bunhead looks like it's going to be a nice mauve pink. This is Bunhead. And the other one is Sailor Moon. I am not sure why Bunhead had a doe foot and then Sailor Moon had the bristles. And then the other gloss duo has Usagi and Moon Tiara. That is Usagi and Moon Tiara. Bunhead definitely pulls more pink, while Usagi pulls more on the red coral side. And then Sailor Moon pulls a little bit more corally, while Moon Tiara is a lot peachier. I think for this look, and the one I'm most drawn to, is Bunhead. So we're gonna put this one on the lips. This doesn't feel that glossy on my lips because it almost is drying down like if it was a very muted liquid lipstick. Maybe let's take Sailor Moon over it. Maybe that will add like the more gloss effect. I just realized that Usagi is an ultra blotted lip, while Moon Tiara is an ultra glossy lip. I'm thinking maybe there's a misprint and this is supposed to be a blotted lip. So that's how it dried down. I haven't tried the blotted formulas. Maybe that's why I didn't like it nearly as much dried down. I don't know, I had a very dry feeling to it. My lips are already dry. It makes sense why there would be a doe foot then. I know why this look doesn't feel complete. Mascara. It's not like mascara is gonna make a difference with these pitiful lashes. In the name of the moon, I punish you! This collection is absolutely adorable. That is the biggest reason why I even purchased this. I think realistically, the only products I would have picked up would have been the blushes. I absolutely love these shades and they can go with so many different looks. You can put it on really light, or if you wanted a more dramatic blush, they have the potential to build up. The Ultra Blotted Lip formula is super interesting to me. I think it's too drying for my lips, but I really liked how the gloss complements it to go over. I really like ColourPop's gloss formula. It has a stick to it, but it's not overly sticky. I'm a little worried about the shade Moon Tiara. I think it might be a little too light for me, but maybe it will complement the Ultra Blotted Lip Usagi. And then the palette isn't bad. It performed like typical ColourPop formula, so you're definitely going to get a really good blendable and nice payoff formula for a more affordable price. The color story I think could have been a little bit better, but this palette is very girly and very chic, very pretty Guardian that they were going for. And then these two glitters, I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. I feel like this might have been just like a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity chance on the review to using them. Just don't use glitter as it is. I think that this formula is quite nice. It has like that conglomerate feeling to it. That way it's not just straight up glitter. So I think that makes it a little bit easier to apply as opposed to having glitter just shedding all over your face. They're gonna collect dust. Will I declutter them ever? Probably not. It's Sailor Moon. I could never do that. That is a disgrace to the moon. Let me know if you guys picked up the Sailor Moon collection. How did everything work out for you? What are some of your favorite color combinations in this palette? If you picked up the lip duo that have the shades Bunhead and Sailor Moon, can you confirm if yours says Ultra Blotted Lip and is glossy a misprint? And if you didn't pick up this collection, do you plan to with the restock? I think there's a little controversy going around about this collection launching because there was no afterpay. It wasn't shipping to all the countries it typically does. I know for me it was glitching when I was trying to check out. I've never had that happen to me on ColourPop's website before, even on Black Friday or any other launch. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.